Is this the most underrated beach town in Europe? You're about to discover a place so breathtaking, so surprisingly affordable, and still off the radar for most tourists, you'll want to book your ticket immediately. Stay until the end, because what you'll learn could change the way you travel forever. Welcome to Beach Montenegro, a tiny coastal village with a giant charm. Nestled between the sapphire-blue Adriatic Sea and the rugged green slopes of the Montenegro Balkan region, Beach is more than just a postcard-perfect destination. It's an experience that blends serenity, local culture, and stunning natural beauty. While places like Budva or Kotor often steal the spotlight, Beach quietly captivates travelers with its relaxed vibe, authentic seafood restaurants, and one of the most scenic coastal walks in the entire Montenegro Riviera. Visual magic. Why Beach is a gem. Imagine waking up to the sound of soft waves, sipping espresso by the promenade, and then walking just steps to the beach where the water is so clear, it looks like glass. That's Beach. The main beach here, a blend of golden pebbles and soft sand, stretches alongside charming cafes, local bakeries, and boutique apartments. From the calm of early mornings to glowing pink sunsets over the sea, Beach Montenegro delivers the perfect coastal atmosphere, far from the party scenes yet close enough if you want to explore more. Unique experiences, local vibe and highlights. What makes Beach truly special is its authentic Montenegrin soul. You'll hear the language, taste real home-cooked cuisine like grilled sea bass and sack, lamb, and walk among locals who treat visitors with quiet warmth. Just a short stroll from Beach is the famous Bečići Beach, and if you're up for a walk or bike ride, you can follow the gorgeous seaside path all the way to Budva, one of Montenegro's oldest towns. This walk is pure cinematic gold, cliffs, coves, and panoramic Adriatic views. Accessibility. How to get there, what to expect. Getting to Beach is easier than you might think. If you're flying in, the nearest airport is Tivat, Montenegro, just a 30-minute drive away. With plenty of affordable accommodation options, you don't need a millionaire's budget to enjoy millionaire views. And the best part? Despite its beauty, Beach hasn't yet been overrun by mass tourism. That means quieter beaches, lower prices, and a much more relaxing experience, a rare luxury in today's travel world. Hidden gems and bonus tips. If you love exploring hidden spots, Beach has a few surprises. Try taking a kayak towards Sveti Stefan, an iconic islet nearby that looks like it belongs in a movie. Or hike above the cliffs for a panoramic view of the coastline. You won't believe the photos you'll take. Visit in late May or early September to avoid crowds but still enjoy perfect weather. And don't skip the local markets. They're small but packed with flavor. Think fresh figs, cheese, and handmade souvenirs. Why it's a must-visit, the takeaway. Whether you're a solo traveler seeking peace, a couple craving romance, or a family wanting a safe and beautiful escape, Beach Montenegro offers the perfect mix. It's one of the last truly magical places along the Adriatic coast that hasn't been spoiled by commercialization. The scenery is stunning, the prices are fair, and the vibe is so relaxed, it feels like time slows down. This is not just a stop on a Balkan itinerary, it's a destination worth centering your trip around. Love discovering Beach? Then you're just scratching the surface of what Montenegro has to offer. From the elegance of Tivat, Montenegro to the majestic mountains of the Montenegro Balkan region, every corner holds a story. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and watch our next video on the top 5 hidden towns in Montenegro. Trust us, your next adventure is only one click away. Don't just travel. Discover. See more. Experience more. With us.